Welcome students. Here we are discussing a question from the chapter complex numbers. Question is very interesting. Question is for all Z1 and Z2 belongs to C. Z1, Z2 are complex numbers and C is set of complex numbers. So these two complex numbers are belonging to set of complex numbers. Then prove that Z1 by Z2 whole conjugate is equal to Z1 conjugate upon Z2 conjugate, where denominator Z2 is not equal to 0. Naturally, denominator will not be 0. As we have discussed in the previous video, if Z is any complex number, say A plus IB, then its conjugate Z bar is defined as A minus IB. Okay. So now let us see solution here. Let us suppose that Z1 upon Z2 is equal to Z3. Correct? So therefore Z1 is equal to Z2 into Z3. And therefore Z1 conjugate is equal to Z2 into Z3 whole conjugate. And this is equal to Z2 conjugate into Z3 conjugate. We have already proved it in the previous video that Z2 into Z3 whole conjugate is equal to Z2 conjugate into Z3 conjugate. So we are getting here Z1 conjugate is equal to Z2 conjugate into Z3 conjugate. Now dividing both sides by Z2 conjugate, we will get here, or Z1 conjugate by, will bring this Z2 conjugate to left side. Z2 conjugate is equal to Z3 whole conjugate, or Z1 conjugate by Z2 conjugate is equal to Z3 conjugate, means Z3 is Z1 by Z2. This is Z1 by Z2 whole conjugate. In place of Z3, simply we have put the value Z1 by Z2, which we have supposed here. Okay, so we are getting the result here. Therefore Z1 by Z2 whole bar, this right hand side I am writing first, is equal to Z1 bar upon Z2 bar. So result has been proved. Very interesting, very simple. Hope you have understood it. Okay, so remain in touch with these videos and share this video with your friends also. Wish you all the best.